Yo guys, welcome to a new clip. Today we are doing a little pack opening. Okay, let's go. Let's start with packs. Gold pack. Come on, please. Something Atsu, but he doesn't work, so this is for quick sell. Yep. Let's go move on. Okay, Aguero in front. Come on. Nothing. Okay, quick sell all. Let's go. Not a good start, but who minds it? Ferreira car. We can sell him for some. Okay. Let's go. Premium gold pack. Come on. Please. Yep. Nothing. Pixel, yes. Thank you. Let's go this. Nothing. Okay, and ultimate loan pack. Let's go. Let's see what we can get here. Diego Costa. Wow. Okay, and we are going to open a couple of these 25k packs. Hopefully we can get something. And skip. Not. Oh, 3,000 coins. What else? Vela, we are going to put him on the transfer list, and all else we are going to quick sell. And a rare gold pack. Let's go. Play something. Thiago Silva, Luis. Oh man, he was blue. Yep, we are going to put him on the transfer list. I'm going to open one more. Hopefully, please, EA, something. Company, yep. 85 rated, not bad. And this goes on quick sell, or yep. Okay guys, thank you for watching this short pack opening. We didn't get nobody, but never mind. See you in the next clip, and bye.